In 1977, Jimmy Carter came to Johnstown after the flood of '77. He brought the top general, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, with him, and he promised Johnstown that the Army Corps of Engineers would build a mighty flood wall that would not leak and would not allow the rivers to flood, and also no citizens of Johnstown would ever die in the flood again. Last night, I can only describe the rainstorm as epic. We got literally in less than 24 hours the entire month's worth of June rainfall. So we shall look at the eternal flame. This flame represents the lives of all lost from 1889 to 1936 to 1977. And now we shall look at the river. Has Jimmy Carter's promise held? Is the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, did they keep their promise? Let's find out. And yes, as you can see, the mighty flood wall has held. Unfortunately, these bars get in my way, but I'm going to try and sneak around here. And this here is a little agitator. It's designed to increase oxygen content into the river. One day, ideally, so fish and whatnot can live. But as you can see, the river here in Johnstown is a raging monster today. But Jimmy Carter's promise and the U.S. Army Corps' promise still stands. So, how high up is the river? Well, I can give you some figures here. We got about 6 to 8 inches of rain last night, and it's about halfway up, which means the river rose last night approximately 15 feet. That's pretty high. I'm not going to kid you. But, yep, we are still standing here in Johnstown. Yeah. Thank you, President Carter. You promised a mighty flood wall, and you delivered. Okay, bye.